बिना किसी भेद, बिना किसी बात। फिर किसने खींची है लकीर काली जो मानव को मानव से दूर किया? किसने कहा तो अछूत है पीछे रंग और इंसान के दिलों को चूर किया? बाबा साहेब उठे, कलम उठाए, संविधान में समता के बीज बोए, हर इंसान बराबर है इस दुनिया में, यह सच दुनिया के सामने लाए। न मंदिर में रोको, न कुएं में रोको, यह इंसान है भगवान की छाया, जो छूने से पाप मानते थे तुम सभी, उन्हीं हाथों ने ये देश बनाया। अब उठो, जागो, तोड़ो ये जंजीरों, समता का सूरज फिर से लहराओ, न ऊंच हो कोई, न नीच हो कोई, एक ही माटी, एक ही आसमान, ये भारत देश है हमारा। Respected teachers, honorable judges, and all my dear friends, the poem you just heard here is not a manly voice. It is the heartbeat of millions of people who were never allowed to be equal, not in temple, not in walls, not even in the eyes of fellow human beings. And it is the pain that Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar ji found in his greatest question, that can a nation truly be a democracy if all its people are not truly free? Baba Sahib believed that democracy is not as simple a system of government. It is a way of life. It is a commitment, a promise that every citizen, regardless of caste, gender, creed, holds equal worth and equal quality. He warned us clearly that democracy in India is not a top dressing an Indian soil, which is an essential democracy. He saw that the danger that others refuse to see, that you cannot build a true democracy on a foundation rooted by caste inequality. For Ambedkar, voting that was not enough, elections that were not enough. A real democracy, he said, that the demands were three. First is liberty, the freedom to think, to speak, and to live without fear. Equality, not just on papers but in practice, in the street, in the school, and in the houses. Fraternity, a sense of brotherhood so deep that no man considered another beneath him. Without all these three together, democracy is nothing but a beautiful life. He gave a constitution as a living instruction of justice. He embroidered that fundamental rights are not just a favor that's granted by the state, but as a non-negotiable truth that belongs to every human being. But friends, Baba Sahib also gave us a warning that echoes even today. He said, if we wish to maintain a democracy, we must hold to fast the constitutional methods. Bloody revolution is no answer, but social revolution is only optional if it's urgent. Social equality, it is not the enemy of democracy. It is the very soil in which democracy it must grow. So today, on the birth anniversary, let us not just celebrate this man, let us carry forward his unfinished work to build a democracy that is not only written in constitution, but believed in conscience. Because Baba Sahib did not just give India a constitution, he gave India a conscience. न ऊंच हो कोई, न नीच हो कोई, एक ही माटी, एक ही आसमान, ये भारत देश हमारा। धन्यवाद।
मैं नेहा रानी नायक को उनके सुंदर स्पीच और सुंदर विचार प्रकट करने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देती हूँ। उन्होंने हमें बताया कि अम्बेडकर ने अपने जीवन में हम भारतीयों के लिए संविधान के माध्यम से हमें अधिकार दिया और उन्होंने सहजता से नहीं कठिनाई पूर्वक यह काम किया। तो मैं चाहूंगी आप सभी पुनः और एक बार उनके लिए जोरदार ताली बजाएं। अब मैं स्टेज पर बुलाना चाहूंगी